You know, personal branding is the key to standing out and attracting the right clients or opportunities. But what if you're not a writer? What if you're staring at your screen like, what do I even post? I get it. I used to feel the same way, until I discovered how AI could help me build a content engine without sounding robotic or fake. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use AI to write, plan, and post content that builds your brand, even if writing isn't your thing. Section 1: Why most people struggle to write. Here's the truth. Most people aren't bad at writing, they're just unclear about what to say. The fear of sounding boring, repetitive, or like everyone else keeps them silent. I can break through that mental block. Section 2: What to talk about. Build your content pillars. First, define your content pillars. These are the core ideas you'll rotate around. Examples for freelancers. Behind the scenes of your process, client wins and case studies. Tools you used, lessons learned from freelancing, personal growth plus mindset. Prompt example for ChatGPT. Help me create 10 content ideas based on these topics: productivity, working with clients, freelancing tips, and personal growth. Section 3: Using AI for brand. Voice plus ideas. You don't want to sound like everyone else using AI, you want to sound like you. Strategy: upload past emails, posts, or bio into ChatGPT. Ask it to match your tone. Prompt: analyze my writing style and help me write LinkedIn posts that sound like this. Then, start generating posts that align with your brand and personality. Section 4: Turn ideas into great posts. AI can turn random thoughts into polished posts. Formula for a great post: hook, story, insight. CTA. Prompt: turn this idea, how I deal with unresponsive clients, into a LinkedIn post using a strong hook and personal story. Then review and tweak to add your flavor. Section 5: Writing hooks and CTAs with AI. Your hook is what stops the scroll. Your CTA tells people what to do next. Prompts to try. Give me 5 hook variations for this idea. Write a CTA that encourages comments or DMs. Examples. Most freelancers don't talk about this. I wish someone told me this earlier. Curious how you handle this too. Let me know below. Section 6: Batch scheduling content. Now that you've got your content ready, schedule everything in one go. You can write 3 weeks of posts in 1 hour if you batch your creation process with AI. Bonus tip: repurpose posts across platforms. LinkedIn, Instagram, email newsletters, Medium, Threads. Use AI to rewrite in different tones or lengths. Bonus: content calendar template. To make your life easier, I've created a Notion content calendar template designed for freelancers and creators using AI. Includes content pillar tracker, post scheduling, AI prompt library, engagement tracking. Grab the template below, like plus subscribe for more AI content. Drop a comment if you want a video on how to repurpose content with AI.